Like Kashmir से हम students लेके जाते हैं. Being this kind of university, we have got a lot of good students in Kashmir. How you feel like Kashmir के बच्चों को ये opportunity कैसा रहा?
In fact, I have compared this Russia, Iran and Bangladesh. Then I realized that China is the best option. ये admission yani skor उस तमीज़न वुचे से बाकिन मुल्कन तो या चीन के साथ में क्या फर्क है?
Hello, this is Dr. Shamit from Omkar Medicom. Sir, like in this admission process, like we had a talk in the first time around May. So we had put forward some information. आपको बताया था यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में, ठीक है? यूनिवर्सिटी का फीस स्ट्रक्चर. ये information अभी आपका बेटी जा रहा है. So how important was the information? How helpful was it?
It was helpful, and also I came to know about the university because of your cooperation and your information you have provided to us. So today I can say that we are very happy and feel good, fortunate enough to get the admission of my daughter in NY University. So you have provided every information, and whenever I called you, you have responded immediately. That was very good of you. And today I think I am well aware of the university more than you, because you have given us every single information pertaining to the admission, fees and other things, and even the hostel facilities and this mess and everything, even the route, the air path from Delhi and Calcutta, everything we know. Today we are well aware of the university. It's because of your efforts and your information you have provided to us.
So there are very few students. Kashmir से काफी कम students होते हैं. Like when I met you, so like how like Kashmir से हम students लेके जाते हैं. Being this kind of university, we have got a lot of good students in Kashmir. How you feel like Kashmir के बच्चों को ये opportunity कैसा रहा?
In fact, I have compared this Russia, Iran and Bangladesh. Then I realized that China is the best option. It's underrated in terms of the pursuation of this medical degree in China. So when I compared facilities, world ranking of the university and other facilities providing this China, so I came to the conclusion that I have made good choice in comparison to other countries.
And कश्मीर के पेरेंट्स ये जरूर सुनिए, हर साल hundreds of students MBBS के लिए अब्रॉड जाते हैं, लेकिन बांग्लादेश और ईरान चूज करके कई स्टूडेंट्स बाद में परेशान हो जाते हैं. अगर सेफेस्ट फ्यूचर चाहिए, चाइना चूज कीजिए. सेफेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट, हलाल लाइफस्टाइल, रिस्पेक्टफुल कैंपस लाइफ, सब कुछ मिलेगा चाइना में.
You get scholarship. I think it's a very important part, getting a scholarship. Like in the first year, every students get asked 2 lakh rupees scholarship. It is more than 2 lakh. Probably it is around 2 lakh 20,000. How important scholarship is for any student?
It's important for we people where we belongs to middle class families. Scholarship is not only important for in terms of financial help, it also encourages the student to perform better in coming years, so that they can be entitled for the further scholars. So it's a very important. They should increase this, and this will attract the students, and particularly the middle class family, the lower middle class family who have talent but don't have money enough to pursue the medical degree. So therefore, this step is very good step for the students, and they can attract more students by providing them this scholars.
Like Omkar Medicom has told you, like we travel with the student. As a father, how you think, how important is when your daughter is traveling, someone is
the main concern for us when we started to search for the degree course for her. So the prime concern was how to reach the college, whether irrespective of the country. But Omkar Medicom, they have given us you, Mr. Dr. Shamit, that you will be accompanied of the students. And so that search. That was a sigh of relief for us. You are going with the students, and you once I discussed with you all these things, and you said that you are 24/7 and for all the 6 years available whenever they need any help.
Yes.
So that was the turning point to decide the Omkar and decide the China.
We not only like this, like traveling with the student. Then hostels. First day we will provide the hostels. Then we'll provide the SIM cards, bank accounts. So day by day, everything we will assist so that the student can stay in a good way. Moreover to it, like all around the MBBS course, when she will be studying, we will be putting our support regarding studies also. As you have taught, like for going for USMLE, UK PLAB, we'll give you the education guidelines also, the matter, so that you can perform better.
That is more important for the student. When student moves from his home, he needs help on every step. Unless until she adjusts herself with the college and other community. So you have given us every that step which required for our child. जैसे आपने कहा अभी, whether it is SIM card, insurance, police verification, whatever it is. When medical home is there, so no need to go there.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
जब मैं इंडिया में थी, मुझे भी सबसे ज्यादा डर सेफ्टी का था, लेकिन चाइना आकर रियलाइज हुआ यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स स्पेशली गर्ल्स बहुत सिक्योर फील करती हैं। अगर आप एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड सोच रही हो तो मैं एक चीज कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकती हूँ, चाइना में सेफ्टी भी है और पढ़ाई का लेवल भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है।
Sir, please say something in Kashmiri, in your local language, sir.
ये एडमिशन यानी इस कोर उस तमीज़न वुच अस बाकियन मुल्कन तो या चीन किस अत क्या फ़र्क है। अस आव लबन यह कथ कि अत बच्चन वारिया असल फैसिलिटी, खासकर हॉस्टल सिक्योरिटी, खानुक चानुक माहौल असल नबर कन यह ये बच्चस खतर डेवलपमेंट जरूरत है तम हिसाब चीनस मज सारी खुद बेहतरीन इन फैसिलिटी स्कॉलरशिप, खासकर गरीब बच्चे या मिडल क्लास तिम स्कॉलरशिप जरूरत ताकि बच्चस मज अगर तलीम नुन जज्बु या तमिस काबिलियत मगर पोस कहें अत मिलान स्कॉलरशिप तम कन मे बसान यह बेहतरीन अगर पेरेंटन पूरी तहकीक कर बच्चस सोच और पढ़ने विल बी वेरी।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Love you.
नीट 2026 कैंसिल, फिर से एग्जाम। रीनीट कब होगा किसी को नहीं पता। एनीवे, स्ट्रेस मत लो, एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड का स्मार्ट ऑप्शन अभी भी ओपन है। शिनजियांग मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बेस्ट चॉइस।